Alright, hello. Okay, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. So today, I'm going to teach you how to have a digital signature or electronic signature on your Google Forms. Okay, like for example, we will have a survey that needs their digital signatures. Okay, so we can use this add-ons. First thing that we need to do is go to mark the Google Market. Okay, Google Market, Google Marketplace. Okay, click on this now. All you need to just to look for signature there. Okay, there's a lot of available add-ons that we can use, okay, in our Google Forms, but as this time just need this add-ons, okay, which is the signature. Okay, so click on that. Okay, since na-download ko na po siya or na-install ko na here on my Google form, right? But if it is your first time, okay, to add this add-ons, okay, all you need to just to click install or add add-ons, okay? So once installed, okay, on your Google form, you need to go back to your Google Forms, okay, na ginagawa. Okay, I'm going to use this as an example for this video. Okay, so once you install additional add-ons, okay, you can check it here. Just look for this icon, add-ons icon. Yeah, click to see yung mga na-install nyo po add-ons sa inyong Google Forms or with the other application sa Google like Google Sheets, Google Words, there. So now, I just need to click signature, start. Alright, so I have already assigned a signature. So I'm going to cancel this. Confirm. Okay, so there's a lot of options, okay, that we can use para dito sa signatures. We have the add single signature, multiple signatures beta, which will expire on the 31st of May 2020. Multiple signatures classic. So what I use po is this one para wala na ako masyadong ilalagay pa. So with this, ang dami ko siyang minipili. Okay. In this example also. There you go. Okay. So I'm going to use this. So with this, wala na po tayo kasi it's optional. So pwede ka din maglagay dyan ng isa or two. Okay. Limits for the number of signatures per form response. Meaning to say, halimbawa, nilagay mo dyan tatlo. So, pwedeng tatlong signatures ang ilalagay ng respondents natin sa kada form. Okay? Sa kada pinipilapan nilang form. So, ako, I'll make it 0 or blank. I'll just need to click submit. Then, confirm. So, with this, kapag first time po natin, we need to activate the Google Sheet. So, it will prompt you to link your Google Sheet. So, all you need to just click on this para ma-activate siya doon sa signature na ginagawa natin. Okay, so by default, di ba, madalas natin ginagamit is yung link dito. Okay, eto, para ipamigay so that your respondents can access your Google form or your survey. But this one is slightly different. Okay, ang ibibigay po natin link, alright, is the link from here. So just click get link. Okay, Alright, so I'm going to paste it, okay, on the other tab para makita natin yung pagkakaiba. Okay, ito na po yung pinaka-form nung ginawa natin. Okay? So, ito na po yung ma-view ng ating respondents. Okay? Now, as you can see, there's a green box, okay, showing a text, show signature page. So, meaning to say, you can advise your respondents to click on this portion or on this box so that they can create their signature. Like, for example, halimbawa ko, yan. Okay. So, just click finish, sign in, then confirm. So, once done uploading signature, we just need to click copy, right? So, for us to copy the link for your signature. Saan nga ba natin siya gagamitin? So, later on, okay, makikita niyo siya kung saan natin siya gagamitin. So, you can go back, okay, to our Google form, just clicking show Google form. Ayan. Yan po ang mag-display sa ating mga respondents. So, sagutan ko lang na to. Everything. Okay, email address. Okay, there. For example, the number. Okay, comments. Okay, ito po. Sa view ng ating respondents, makikita po nila to. So, diba nag-copy tayo kanina? So, all you need to do is just to paste it. Okay. So, halimbawa, hindi pinost ni respondent yung link na yun. Naglagay lang siya ng yes. Akala niya siguro, nag-ano na siya ng signature. Okay. Hindi po siya mag-push through kasi nakapatay na po siya automatically. So, kailangan po talaga, ito talaga mismo yung or yung link po talaga o yung URL mismo yung ilalagay nila dyan. Again, pwede po natin siyang balikan. Okay, kailangan lang po is to click copy. Ayan, copy, then show form, then paste it here, then tada, click submit. Okay, that's check doon sa ating form. Alright, ayan, we have now one response. So as you can see here, ito yun. So ito na po siya. If we're going to check it sa ating Google Sheet, ito siya. Okay, pwede natin siyang i-click to see the individual response ng ating respondents. Halimbawa yung kay Eric, ito, nakita ko na lahat ang sagot niya. At the same time, yung signature niya. So, pwede natin siyang i-print. So, pwede natin siyang i-print ng individual na. Halimbawa ito. So, pwede natin siyang i-attach sa ating mga reports. Okay? Ganun lamang po kasimple ang paggawa ng digital signature using our Google Forms. Again, you just have to look for signature add-on on your G Suite Marketplace to add this feature. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write it on the comment section. Okay, and if you want to suggest a new videos on my channel, please do so. Okay, huwag mo hihiya. Alright, but please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Chabino. Okay, and hit the bell button to receive a notification for new videos from my channel. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something from this video. Adios, happy lagi!